Hey guys, welcome back to Savage Kitchen. Hope everyone is doing great. And today I'm gonna teach you how to make a perfect pavlova. This is kind of a dessert, crispy outside and soft and light inside. This is topped with cream and with your favorite fruits. This is a meringue-based dessert which is very famous in New Zealand and Australia. Please subscribe to my channel to get more interesting videos in the future. And do not forget to give your feedbacks in the comment sections below. These are the ingredients that we need to make this pavlova. As always, the first thing you have to do is preheat your oven to 100 Celsius degrees. Please make sure you are using a well-cleaned beater and it's oil-free. So I start with beating egg whites in high speed until it becomes soft pea consistency. And please make sure you don't add a single drop of egg yolk because that tiny drop can ruin your whole recipe. Now you can see my egg whites which has come to soft pea consistency. Now I'm gradually adding the caster sugar to the mixing bowl. We have to beat this until it becomes stiff pea consistency in high speed. If the sugar is totally dissolved, you can add the vanilla extract. And now I am adding lime juice. Here you can use white vinegar instead of lemon juice. Next I am adding corn flour. Please make sure that you shift it before you adding it to the mixture. Now the mixture is really stiff. You can see my mixture now. Here I am using a piping bag with a star nozzle. You need to draw some circles on the other side of the baking paper. Use any kind of circular thing. But if you don't need to use a nozzle, you can just spread the mixture in the baking paper carefully. I'm gonna make 6 mini pavlovas from this mixture. If you guys just need a one pavlova, you can make a big one. Now I'm spreading starting from the center. First I'm piping the base of each mini pavlova so it will be easy for me to build it up. You can build it up for about 5 centimeters. And I'm gonna fill the middle space too, but not up to the top because I need this space to put my topping. Bake it for about 90 minutes in 100 Celsius. Now, this is 2 pavlovas that I baked in 2 different temperatures and 2 different times. I baked this one for about 1 hour and 15 minutes in 110 Celsius degrees and this one for about 2 hours in 90 Celsius degrees. Now you can see the color difference between these 2 pavlovas. If you really like this light color, you can go for it. After my pavlovas are done, I left them in the oven for about another 30 minutes after it's turned off. And let them cool down to room temperature before you put the topping. Here I'm adding 200 milliliters of cream. And now Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, beat it until it becomes thick and spreadable. These are the fruits that I'm using to decorate my pavlovas. I'm using a spoon to spread them. Now I'm going to give you a little tip. You can use a hot spoon to spread the cream easily. And now I'm topping 3 of my pavlovas with Nutella. You can decorate it with your favorite fruits. Now you can enjoy the most delicious mini pavlovas. Please subscribe for more interesting recipes. See you guys in the next video. Bye until next time.